Welcome back guys to another Autocad video. Today we'll be looking at modify tools. Modify tools are basically just tools which use to modify your view or just do some edits like mini edits here and there and stuff. Okay, so the first modify tool we have on our list is 3D mirror. So just like in 2D we can also mirror 3D objects here. So in order to do that we need an axis first. So let me create an axis here. Press enter and then click on mirror. So first I select the object and then I specify the point in which I'm gonna mirror. So in mirror the difference is you need a 3D plane. So right now it asks for XY axis and then a Z axis. Once I gave it a Z axis 90 degrees to this line, it just made a complete mirror 3D object here. So yeah, that's the mirror tool, and it will ask if you want to delete it or not, but yeah, it's basically the same as you saw in 2D. Next up we have 2D align, 3D align. In this tool we can just align the points to another 3D object. So if I have a copy of this object, and then I click on align, I first need to select the object and then I need to specify the points on it. And as you can see, it's trying to align itself. So right now it's aligned here. And it just gets locked in that axis and just tries to align itself now. So anyways, yeah, you can like try to align stuff using that thing, so it's not a bad way to align, but using 𝐬𝐞𝐫𝗱𝗲 and stuff can also help, which we'll be looking in a bit. And then we have the erase tool, which we saw in 2D, pretty much the same thing here. It just erases certain stuff when you are certain 2D diagrams. And next up is the 3D move. 3D move is nothing but it helps in moving the drawing you made anywhere in any XYZ direction. And if you have the points properly, you can move it in those points as well. As you can see here, I'm moving it by clicking on the arrows and then moving it around. So this is what this tool is used for. And then after that we have the revolve tool, and this tool helps to rotate the object you have drawn in any direction you want, XYZ axis, in any place you like. So that's the move tool. And then we have the 3D scale tool. This basically just scales the object to whichever direction you're scaling it to. Right now it just scaled up. If I want to scale it down, it just scales down. That's the 3D scale tool. And then we have the move tool. I can just click on a corner and then move it. And then this is the rotate tool. We can just rotate the object any specific direction we need. Yeah, scale tool and everything else we have already seen in 2D. Only difference is it just works on 3D. Right. And these are the main modified tools. Yeah, with these you can just move your objects anywhere you like, and hopefully this was helpful to you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!